Hello and welcome to this Greenspeed video. My name is Jay Smith and today I have a very special message for you about the Greenspeed Original Microfibre Cloth. Sometimes you might not be aware of the possible harmful ingredients that are in the products you use every day. Some of their components are less innocent than you think. We at Greenspeed strive to design a safe and healthy product range that matches the circular economy. And that is why we test our products. Firstly, to know which materials are used, and secondly, to optimize them so we can keep innovating. Our original microfiber cloth was examined by an independent third party, recognized by the Cradle Products Innovation Institute. From today, we are super happy to announce that we are the first company worldwide to offer you the Greenspeed Original Microfibre Cloth with a bronze level material health certificate of the Cradle Products Innovation Institute. This certificate is a great start for us to live up our vision of the future and go for 100% safe and healthy cleaning. Our ambition is to continue innovating and obtain more certificates. Would you like to clean up your routine and want to go for healthy cleaning products? Don't hesitate, get in touch with me. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time.